molarity. It is represented by capital M. Number of mole of solute dissolve in 1 liter of solution. Volume of solution in liter. Mole of solution, also number of mole of solute. How we can find or calculate? Number of mole of solute, it means that weight of solute upon molecular mass of solute is number of mole of solute. Okay, and here also sometime ask this type of question in topic of the molarity. What is the effect of change in temperature of solution on its molarity? Effect of change. Effect of change in temperature of a solution on its molarity. Important, this is very important. Effect of change in temperature of solution on its molarity. Actually, molarity of solution change with temperature, because with rise or fall of temperature, liquid undergoes expansion or contraction and its volume change respectively. It means molarity, any solution change with temperature, because this temperature rise up and temperature fall of temperature, rise of temperature, liquid undergoes expansion and contraction, so volume also change, volume will be change. Now next is this is sorry what is this is molarity, and next topic is molality. It is represented by small m. Okay, number of mole of solute dissolved in mass of solvent in kg. Okay, this is the formula of molarity. This is expressed by small m. It is also called kg concept. And here also sometime ask some question of molarity and formality. Molarity and formality. Formality, it is represented by capital F, symbol capital F. Formality, what is formality? Formality, write down. Formality of a solution is the number of gram formula mass. Number of gram formula mass dissolved in per liter of solution. Liter. It means that what is the difference between molarity and formality? What is the difference between molarity and formality? major difference. Ionic compound in formality, in concept of formality, ionic compound like that sodium chloride, potassium chloride, here sodium and chlorine, potassium and chlorine, etc. Exist an ion. This is not a molecule. These are not molecule. It is exist as ions. Their formula mass in the sum of atomic mass. Their formula mass 23 plus 35.5. And here also, this is also their molecular mass 58.5. 58.5 gram is also gram formula mass of sodium chloride, and this is their atomic mass also. Okay, it means that formula mass, what is the formula mass? Formula mass is the mass, the sum of atomic mass of atom in the formula of compound. This is the formula of compound. Their sum of atomic mass is equal to formula mass of these ions. These ionic compound is called formula mass. So now number of gram molecular mass of solute, number of gram molecular mass of solute dissolved per liter of solution is called formality, Next is molality, formality. Now next is very important concept of N concept, normality. It is represented by capital N. Normality. What is the formula of normality? Number of gram equivalent weight of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. Number of gram equivalent. This is the new term. Equivalent of solute. Number of gram equivalent of solute is dissolved in 1 liter of solution. Volume of solution in liter. 1 liter of solution. Here, this is the new concept. Number of gram equivalent of solute. What is the number of gram equivalent of solute? Number of gram equivalent of solute means that mass of solute upon equivalent mass of solute. Suppose solution is acidic or solution is base. So equivalent weight of acid is equal to molecular weight of acid upon their basicity of acid. Okay, normality means number of gram equivalent of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. What is the equivalent weight? Equivalent weight, it means that mass of solute upon equivalent mass of solute. But how we can say equivalent weight? So equivalent weight, what is equivalent weight? Equivalent weight of acid solution, equivalent weight of base solution. So equivalent weight of acid, it means that molecular weight or molecular mass of acid upon basicity of the acid. Basicity of the acid. Suppose we take acid H2SO4. So H2SO4. HCl also we take here, and H2SO4. So molecular weight of, it means that this is what is equivalent weight of H2SO4 or equivalent weight of HCl. It means that molecular, here we can write molecular mass of H2SO4 upon basicity of H2SO4. It means that 2H, 1 positive ion, and SO4 2 negative ion. So this is the basicity of the acid. This is the basicity of acid. It means that here ion is 2. It means that it is divided by basicity of acid is 2. Basicity of acid is 2. Here molecular mass mm of H2SO4. 1 into 2 plus sulfur is 32 and oxygen is 16 into 4. It means that 2 plus 32 plus 98. Now putting the value, 98 upon 2 is equal to 49. 49 is the equivalent weight of H2SO4. 49 is equivalent weight of H2SO4. And second example is equivalent weight of HCl is equal to mm of HCl upon mm of HCl, H positive ion and Cl negative ion. It means that there this is 1. It means that is divided by 1. Hydrogen is 1 and chlorine is 35. 1 and 35.5. It means that 36.5. 36.5 is the molecular mass of HCl and is divided by 1. It means that 36.5 is the equivalent weight of HCl. Equivalent weight of HCl. In same situation, in same equivalent weight of base. Equivalent weight of base. Definition same. Molecular weight of base upon acidity of base. Acidity of base. Acidity of base. Molecular mass of base. Suppose that we take some base. Base is NaOH. Okay, NaOH. Example NaOH. Molecular mass of NaOH is molecular mass 23 16 plus 1. 23 16 plus 1. It means 40. And sodium is positive charge, OH is negative charge. Here OH negative ion is 1. So there it means that equivalent weight of sodium hydroxide is 40. Equivalent weight of sodium hydroxide is 40. Okay. In same situation, here also strength of solution. Another topic. Sometimes this is very important. Strength of a solution. Strength of a solution. Mainly this topic is mainly used practicals. Normality, molarity, volumetric analysis. Mass of the solution in grams upon volume of the solution in liter. Mass of solution in gram and volume of solution in liter. It means that amount of solute in gram present in 1 liter of the solution. Amount of solute in gram present in 1 liter of the solution. कितना प्रेजेंट होगा उसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे. ओके, एंड come back to example 2.2 and example 2.3 in page number 36 in NCERT textbook. Example 2.2 says that calculate the molarity of solution containing 5 gram of sodium hydroxide in 450 ml solution. Very simple. 450 ml of solution. Example 2.2, capital M molarity, mass of solute upon molecular mass of solute dissolving per liter of solution, dissolving per liter of solution into 1000 by how many liter? 250 ml. Mass of solute, here 5 gram sodium hydroxide dissolved in 450 ml of solution. So 5 gram is the mass of solute into 1000 upon 450, and sodium hydroxide 23 plus 16 plus 1, it means that this is 40 gram per mole, 40 gram per mole, gram cancel. Solve this. 0 0 0 0 2 5 9 18, same thing, 0.2 m. Okay, and calculate. This is mole per liter, unit is mole per liter, mole per liter. In same example 2.3, you solve, you can solve, very easy. This question is based on molality. This question is based on molality. Calculate the molality of ethanoic acid, 2.5 gram of ethanoic acid in 75 gram of benzene, 75 gram of benzene. Okay, now see the in-text question number 23, sorry 2.3, in-text 2.3, in-text 2.3, 2.3, calculate the molarity of each of the following solution. A, what is A? A is given there, that 30 gram of CO for cobalt, dinitro-cobalt, 6 mole of H2O in 4.3 liter of solution. Calculate, क्या calculate करेंगे? Calculate the molarity, calculate the molarity. Again in same situation, here cobalt, nitrogen, oxygen, adding their molecular mass. What is the molecular mass of cobalt? What is the molecular mass of cobalt? What is the molecular mass of cobalt? What is the molecular mass of nitrogen? And what is the molecular mass of and H2O? here also H2O. What? No, she. Solution. Molecular mass of CONO3 6H2O. Hexa aqua. 58.93 plus 14 into 2 plus 16 into 3 plus 6 into 18. This is 18. Water. Molecular mass of water is 18. Now we can here write 18 into 6. To solve this, their value is 290.93 gram per mole. This is the molecular mass of dinitro-cobalt hexa aqua. Dinitro-cobalt hexa aqua. Tick, right, and putting the value 30 gram upon 290.93 gram per mole into 4.3 liter. 4.3 liter. So question number next 2.3, 2.4, sorry 2.3a, 2.3b, 2.3b. What is the B? 2.3b is very easy. 30 ml of 0.5 m H2SO4 diluted to 500 ml. 500 ml. Very easy. M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2 concept apply. This is the formula of two solution, initial final solution, initial solution and final solution. Now M1 is 0.5 m H2SO4 and 30 ml of H2SO4 and dilute 500 ml of it. Now M2 30 by 500 is equal to M2. And solve this. What is something this? This is the value of what? M2. It means that M2 is 500 ml of H2SO4 is 0.03 m. 0.03 m. Now next is question number 2.4. Question number 2.4. 2.4 question number. Calculate the mass of urea. Calculate the mass of urea required making 2.5 kg of 0.25 molal aqueous solution. Molal aqueous solution. It means that this is here molal aqueous solution. Molal aqueous solution. It means that this is the molality. ये याद रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. What molal aqueous solution? It means this is the concept of molality, and here also it is molality, molal aqueous solution. Oh, so very easy. Here what is the given? It means that small m is equal to mass of solute upon molecular mass of solute into mass of solvent in kg, mass of solvent in kg. Here also given, this is given, what given? 0.25. mass of solute is unknown and you can calculate this is x, suppose we x. Mass of solute urea, what is the molecular mass of urea? You can calculate 60 gram per mole. NH2CO, NH2, nitrogen is 40, 1 into 2 plus carbon is 12, oxygen is 16, nitrogen again 14, or hydrogen is 1 into 2 is equal to overall 60 gram per mole. Okay, this is the molecular mass of urea. And mass of solvent in kg, how many kg? 2.5 kg. 2.5 kg. Okay, you can solve this and you check the answer. And last question is 2.5. 2.5 here also it is the home assignment of your molality, molarity and mole fraction of Ki. Mole fraction of Ki solution. Mole fraction of Ki solution. Atomic mass of potassium is 39 plus iodine is I think 126 or 127 something 9 point is equal to, this is the Ki molecular mass of Ki is this, calculate कर लेना आप. Okay, and the mass by mass concept, 20/80. Okay, thank you.